We know that science says that the opposite attract. It is a very wonderful observation, of course, because it is not that because science discovered that it would be regarded as a superior subject. Christianity, or the subject of faith, is still superior, according to me. This fact, it is confirmed by Adam and Eve and what Adam said after he gave birth to Eve. So what is it that we are not doing right in order to attract the things that we need in our lives? Well, don't be worried if you find that I always bring science into the picture. I do that particularly because I feel it is my duty to make you understand that you do not have to see it as a matter of a choice or an option to either go with Christianity or to go with science. I want to bring this understanding to you that it is compelling that we understand the world from a Christian point of view. So I'll bring in science to show you that even though science has discovered these things, it is God who created these things. So science is merely appreciating the work that God is doing. It is that science is very notorious for not acknowledging the source. It will tell you that things exist, but they will never tell you that it is God who created those things. So according to science, the earth is made up of atoms, and inside those atoms are nucleus or nuclei in plural and electrons. I'm going to rush through this thing so that we understand it is not our subject matter, but it just helps us to build a strong case. These nuclei and electrons, they have different charges. Nucleus has a positive charge and it is heavy. And electron is light. It is not as heavy as a nucleus. It is light, which means it floats. It can easily float, while a nucleus sits at the base. Now, because the nucleus has a positive charge and it's heavy, and the electron has a negative charge and it's light, they are bound to be attracted to each other. But they will not join each other because it is not only one nucleus inside that atom. There are other nuclei. So these other nuclei, they are also fighting for attraction, to attract this electron. So what will happen? They will not completely join, but they will float or circulate the nucleus in confusion. It is a motion of confusion. I want to come to you, but I cannot because there are other nuclei that are fighting for my attention. So the best thing that can happen is for electrons to be nearer to particular nuclei. I'm hoping that I haven't lost you. Remember, we are still talking about why is it that you do not have things that you want to have? Why is it that you cannot attract the things that you want in your life? So this analogy is very relevant to my topic. Because if we could say the world is sort of an atom, where in it lives nuclei and electrons, and if you are a nucleus, why are you not attracting enough electrons? Maybe it could be you lack enough positive charge to attract these negatively charged electrons. Maybe there are other people who in this case could be nuclei that get more attention from electrons that you want. Why? Because they have a stronger positive charge than you.